So I saw your question here. It's like the previous question. You want you're giving it to a table here. Oops. It's like your previous question, but you're giving information in a different format. Your probability of being female or not being involved. So I just wrote that as probability of female or not. So that equals the probability of female plus probability of not minus probability of female and not. It's not mutually exclusive, we can see from the table. So probability of female, that'd be this line here. There's 1,385 females out of the total, and that's what I have here. Probability of not is this column here. There's 1,545 out of the total, which is what I have here. And then where do they overlap at? Well, if you take this row and this column, they overlap at 748. And so I subtract that 748 over the total. And you put that in your calculator. And I guess, if you round it to third decimal, and there's thousandths, get 0.764. Hope that helps.